What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a GitHub account. Starting this journey opens up a realm of possibilities for collaboration, version control, and open source contributions. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. While on your browser, navigate to github.com. Look for the Sign Up button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on this will bring you to a unique account creation page that greets you with "Welcome to GitHub, let's begin the adventure," against a visually engaging background. The first step in your GitHub adventure is to enter your email address. Make sure it's an email you have access to, as you'll need it to verify your account. Next, you'll be prompted to create a password. When creating a password, ensure it's strong and secure to protect your account. Following this, GitHub asks you to choose a username. Your username is how you'll be identified on GitHub, so pick something unique but memorable. If the username you desire is already taken, GitHub will notify you, allowing you to try different variations until you find the one that's available. Next, GitHub may ask you if you wish to receive product updates and announcements via email. If you prefer to receive these, simply check the option. This choice won't affect your ability to use GitHub. One of the final steps in the sign-up process is to pass a verification test confirming you're not a robot. This could be in the form of a CAPTCHA test or puzzle. Successfully completing this step leads to the creation of your account. Once your account is created, GitHub sends a verification code to your provided email address. Retrieve this code and enter it on GitHub to verify your email, which is a crucial step to ensure the security and recovery options for your account. With that done, you're officially part of the GitHub community. You are directed to your GitHub dashboard, a central hub where you can start your first project, explore projects from other creators, or tweak your profile settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.